Guys, we're in Paducah Mall, and somebody is going around pulling the fire alarms. They can't figure out who it is.
Yeah, some sketchy stuff, bro.
Like, you can hear it. This is the second time it's happened. They turned it off and now it's back on. They thought whoever it is left, but they didn't, apparently. I'll be right back.
How much was it?
It don't have a price.
Oh yeah? How much you want to take a guess?
It's 70.
Yeah, just like this one. Gotta have some light on.
Thank you for your visit, but we are currently closed. Please visit us again during our normal business hours.
Ma'am? Yeah, I would like buttermilk crispy tenders. Ma'am! I'm here! Hello! I'm getting very impatient now. No, oh.
Pull up to the window.
Those shows have never been what it's about, but maybe we'll go together and just figure it out. I'd rather put on a film with you and sit on the couch, but we should get on a plane or we'll be missing it now. Wish I'd have written it down, the way that things played out when she was kissing him, how I was confused about. Now she should figure it out while I'm sat here singing. Don't win my love, that heart is so cold, all over my own. I don't wanna know that, babe. Don't win my love, I told her she knows to keep me low. I don't wanna know that, babe.
He's my pretty boy. Oh my gosh. That's not even okay. Oh no. It's not okay. Not okay. Oh no. No.
You can barely even see it. It's not even cute. It's not even cute.
He's really nice.
That's-
He was really nice. So if the money didn't go to him, I'd be
Juice, sauce, little bit of dressing, ice.